Hello everyone. In the last class we studied what is the sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. That is what we studied. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is equal to number of terms, a is the first term, d is the common difference. If you know the first and the last term, you know Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, first term plus last term. What is the sum of all natural numbers? Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2, sum of all natural numbers. I said you can write down as sigma n from 1 to n. So what is the sum of all even natural numbers? Sn is equal to n into n plus 1. Odd natural numbers, n square. So this is odd, this is even. That is what we studied in the last class. Based on these formulae, we will solve some of the problems. Before solving the problems, we have to read the question properly and we have to understand what to find out and what is given. Okay, let me start. The first question is, find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3 plus 2n. They have given an is equal to 3 plus 2n. And what is their question? Find the sum of first 24 terms. So, yes, 24 is equal to how much? When an is given, I think, yes, 24 means, yes, n is equal to 24, right? So, they have given an, so I can find out a1 and a24. Then I can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, first term plus last term. That is what I can do it very easily. I can get the sum of S24. So what is an? 3 plus 2n. So what is a1? a1 is equal to a is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. a24 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 24 is equal to 3 plus 2 24s are 48 is equal to 51. So, yes, n is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. This is the formula I can use here. Yes, 24 is equal to 24 divided by 2 into a is 5 plus 51. So, 2 ones are 2 12s are 56 into 12. 12 6 are 72, 7 12 5 are 60, 67, 672 is the sum of the first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Let me read the second question. Listen properly. After that, we'll solve it. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year, 700 sets in the seventh year, assuming that the production increases uniformly. Find the production in the first year, the production in the 10th year, and the total production in 7 years. Let me read again, and as I read, we'll write down what is given. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year. So what can I write down? A3 is equal to 700 and 600 sets in the third year, so 600, and A7 is equal to 700. They have asked, assuming the production increases uniformly, that means there is a common difference. What is the production in the first year? A1 is equal to how much? What is the production in the 10th year? A10 is equal to how much? What is the total production in 7 years? S7 is equal to how much? These are the 3 questions I have to answer. Now A3 is equal to 600, A7 is equal to 700. What is A3? A plus 2D is equal to 600. What is A7? A plus 60 is equal to 700. Let me take these two as a simultaneous linear equations and try to solve. A plus 60 is equal to 700. A plus 2D is equal to 600. We'll subtract. When you subtract, you change the sign. So A minus A 0, 60 minus 2D, 4D is equal to 100. D is equal to 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. So common difference is 25. Now, what is the production in the first year? To find out that, I can substitute the value of D is equal to 25 in any one of the equation. I will get A. A plus 2D is equal to 600. So A plus 2 into 25 is equal to 600. A plus 50 is equal to 600. So A is equal to 600 minus 50 is equal to 550. My first answer is over. Therefore, A production in the first year is equal to 550. Now what is the question A10? In order to find out A10, do I know A? Yes. Do I know D? Yes. Then it is easy. What is A10? A10 is equal to A plus 9D, because AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A10 is equal to A, how much we found out? 550 plus 9 into D. D is 25. So 550 plus 225 is equal to 775. This is your answer. Now next one is total production in 7 years. So S7, you know the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2 into a we got as 550 plus 7 minus 1 into d is 25. So we got 550, isn't it? A is equal to 550. So is equal to 7 by 2 into 2 into 550 is 1100 plus 6 into 25 is 150. So 7 by 2 into 1250. 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 625 into 7. 7 5s are 35, 3 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17, 7 6 are 42, 43. 4375 is your answer. Now, let me read out the next question. Third one. If, how many terms of the AP, 9, 17, 25 and so on, must be taken to give a sum of 636. How many terms of the AP? AP is given 9, 17, 25 and so on must be taken to give the sum of 636. AN is equal to 636. You have to find out what is N. That is your work. So, by the given data, I can find out what is A. What is A? A is equal to 9, first term. What is D? D is equal to 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Yes, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 8, 25. Yes, D is equal to 8. So, what is the sum of 636? I'm sorry, it is Sn is equal to 636. How many terms of an AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn, how much they given? 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into d is 8. 636 is equal to n by 2 into 18 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to n by 2. 18 minus 8, 10. So I can write down as 8n plus 10. So 2 is common. Let me take out n by 2 into 2. What does it mean? 4n plus 5. 8 and 10, 2 is common. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So 636 is equal to, let me take out the bracket. What do you get? 636 is equal to 4n square plus 5n. You will get a quadratic equation as 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. So the product has to be 4 into 636. The sum has to be 5. What is the product? 4 6 are 24, 2. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14, 1. 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25. In order to get the sum as 5, you have to go on dividing. You have to find out the factors. So let us divide by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 7s are, 2 2s are. Again 2. 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 2 36 are. 2 2s are 4 and 6 36. Not possible. Let me try with 3. 3 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are. 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12 and 212. Not possible. Again let me go for 2. 2 1s are, 2 6 are. 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12, 2s are 24 and 106. Not possible. 2. 5s are 53s are. Let us try here. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 53 and 48. The difference is 5. So what I can write down? 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. You have studied this factorization in 9th standard. The sum has to be plus, the product has to be 4 into 636, that is 2544. Plus and minus is minus, correct? So I write down minus 48. To my convenience, minus 48n plus 53n into minus 636 here. So in this 4n is common, n minus 12 plus 53 is common, n minus 12. Is it correct? 12 3s are 36, 3 12 5s are 63 is equal to 0. So n minus 12 is common, n minus 12 into 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. When a into b is equal to 0, either a can be 0 or b can be 0. N minus 12 is equal to 0 or 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. N is equal to 12 or n is equal to minus 53 by 4. That is not possible. So n is equal to 12. So what is your answer? The sum of 12 terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 makes the sum 636. How many terms? 12 terms. That is your answer. Now what is the next question? If the first term is 5 and the last term is 45 and the sum of the terms is 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. The question is, the first term of an AP is 5. So A1 or A is equal to 5. Last term is 45. AN is equal to 45. And the sum is 400. SN is equal to 400. Find the number of terms. N is equal to how much? Common difference is equal to how much? Now, by this you can find out what is N. How I can use the formula Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus An. First term plus last term. Since I know both, I can find out what is N. What is Sn? 400 is equal to N by 2 into 5 plus 45. So, 400 is equal to N by 2 into 50. 2 ones are 2, 25s. So, N is equal to 400 divided by 25 is equal to 16. 25 ones are 25, 6 are. So, N is equal to 16. Once I know what is the value of N is equal to 16, I can use the formula An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, and I can find out D. What is An? 45 is equal to 5 plus N I got is 16 minus 1 into D. So 45 is equal to 5 plus 15D. So 45 minus 5 is equal to 15D. 45, An is equal to 45, A is 5 plus N minus 1 into D, N is 16, 16 minus 1 into D. So 45 is equal to 5 plus 15D, 45 minus 5 is 15, 45 minus 5 is 40 is equal to 15D. So, D is equal to 40 divided by 15. So, I can simplify 5 3s are 5, 8s are. D is equal to 8 by 3. Next, let me solve one more problem. The first and the last term is 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there? And what is the sum of all these terms? The first and the last term. A1 is equal to what are they given? 17. And An is equal to 350. Common difference is 9. What is the sum of? How many terms are there? N is equal to how much? And Sn is equal to how much? So, once I know An and A and common difference, I can find out what is N is equal to. I can use the formula An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An, how much? 350 is equal to 17 plus N minus 1 into D is 9. 350 is equal to 17 plus 9N minus 9. 350 is equal to 17 minus 9 is 8 plus 9n. So 9n is equal to 350 minus 8. 9n is equal to 342. So n is equal to 342 divided by 9. 9 3s are 27, 7, 9 8s are 72. N is equal to 38. Once I get n is equal to 38, I know A, I know An. I can find out Sn using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. First term plus last term. So Sn is equal to n we got is 38 divided by 2 into A is 17 plus 350. 2 ones are 2 19s are. So Sn is equal to, or S38 is equal to 19 into 367. 19 sevens are 133, 13. 19 six are 114 plus 13, 127, 12. 19 threes are 57 plus 12, 69. 6,973. Let us verify. 19 sevens are 133, 13. 19 six are 114 plus 13, 127. 19 threes are 57 plus 12, 69. 6,973. Next question. The sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which common difference is 7 and A22 is equal to 149. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP. First 22 terms of the AP, that means S22 is equal to how much? In which A22 is equal to 149 and D is equal to 7 they have given. Once I know A22 and common difference, I can use the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D and I can find out A. What is A22 is equal to A plus 21D. So what is A22? 149 is equal to A plus 21 into 7. So A is equal to 149. 21 sevens are 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. So A is equal to 149 minus 147. A is equal to 2. That is your answer. Once you know A and D, what are they asked now? What is the sum of first 22 terms? Yes, 22 is equal to how much? A I know, A22 I know, what is N I know. So yes, N is equal to N by 2 into A plus AN is equal to S22 is equal to 22 divided by 2 into A. A is 2 plus AN is 149. So 11 into 151. 11 ones are 11, 11 fives are 55, 56, 11 ones are 11 plus 5, 16, 1661. That is your answer. Let me solve the last problem. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to the students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each cash prize is rupees 20 less than the preceding price, find the value of each cash prize. They have given the sum of rupees 700 is to be given to give 7 cash prize, and you see each cash prize for the 7 people also not equal amount. First prize, if at all it is 100, next is 20 less, next is 20 less. Like that they have given to 7 people, but totally 700. So first person amount, let us take it as A. Second person A minus 20. Next person A minus 40. Shall we take like that? So A plus A minus D plus A minus 2D plus A minus 3D plus A minus 4D plus A minus 5D A minus D. What is the cash price? 20 less. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus A minus 60 is equal to how much? 700. But they have given what is D? D is 20. So I write down A plus A minus 20 plus A minus 2 into 20, 40 plus A minus 3 into D is 60. So a minus 60 plus a minus 80 plus a minus 100 plus a minus 120 is equal to 700. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I put the bracket to show that there are different 7 prices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you get 7a plus or 20, 40, 60, 120, 200, 300, 420 is equal to 700. 7a is equal to 700 plus 420. So a is equal to 1120 divided by 7. 7 16s are 112. So first place is 160. Next one is 140. Next is 120. Next is 100. Next is 80. Next is 60. Let us see. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7. Is it 700? 300, 420, 520, 600, 700. Yes. Total amount is so much. So, this is your answer. So, I think I have done many types of questions where you have to solve the problems using A, D, AN, SN and so on. So, if there is chance, let me do one more class, otherwise I think I can conclude. So, if you like my video, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you very much.